Hi, welcome back to today's session. And my name is Chandan Kumar, and I'm from CAP03 batch. And my student code is CAP03041. So, in today's session, I'll discuss about what is doc type. When we write the HTML, first we write doc type HTML. So, what is the meaning of doc type HTML and why we write this doc type HTML? So, basically, it is the the doc type. Doc means document, type is equal to HTML. That means you are informing to the browser that this is a HTML document. So you have to render in that way. And you have to, the browser can understand, yes, this is the HTML document, how the browser can interact with the HTML document. Like if I give a small example on for your daily life, you actually you are just a courier partner. Okay, so you have to courier different things. So if I say yes, this is a glass material, so I mark it as take it care, handle it carefully. So you consider and you know that this is something sensitive things that I have to carry. We can say we have to handle it carefully. So you know that, so you act according. So if you know this is a cotton box, so you also act like this. You don't have to do any precaution, or you don't have to need to handle this product carefully. You can throw it, it will never break. So in that way, you doc type HTML is mainly, and if I say it clearly, it is mentioned to the browser, yes, this is the HTML type document, and you have to render it as per the standardized format. That's it. And another thing, if I say in HTML, that is we use div and span. What is the purpose of div span? Let's forget div about span. Let's talk about what is inline and what is block element. That's most used element in HTML. So what is inline element and what is a block element? You know that this is a block. Block means something it's covered. And like div is a block element, which is you write div is like a container. So if you write anything inside the div, it's cover entire their the right side and left side. Like it's from starting, it's always where starting to end, and next will be start from a new line. It's div. If you write something like, if I write this is logo, and the area right side of that logo will be covered, and it is reserved for that div container. It can't be used for other things. So it's blocked the entire area from the position to right side till the end. And when it finished on next line. That's is called block line element. It's block the entire line. And what is inline element? Inline means when you write something that like span is inline element. Like if I write something like B and A, this is the element which is basically we can say this is the inline element. It's only reserved that location how much they required. If like if I'm a person, I sitting on a chair, so how much area I covered? How much area is for chair required? That area I covered. But if I a deep, then I covered entire till my right hand side till the end of the room and left side till the end of the room. So that's the main difference between the inline and block element. Inline element that reserve that area that how much required for it. That's it. The inline element didn't cover the extra area. So it's used for a small thing, and you can when you use it, you will understand it in a better way. So these are the main things. Mostly we used div and span from for CSS basically. And another thing, what is we can say box model. Did you know the box model? I'm saying box model, that means there is a box. When you write any element, like it's a h, it's a h1, h2, it's a heading tag, it's a paragraph tag, it's a div, and it's a span. Everything is a box. When you render it, right click on your browser and click on inspect, then you can see there is a box. And the box have some layers. Like first, what you write inside the box. Like if I write a div inside the span, I write something like if there is any image or if there any text, anything. After that, this is called content. If I write something, this is the logo. Logo is the content, and outside of the logo, that is called padding. From the content to the border, that is called padding. And the border is the outer line. If uh, and outside of the border is called margin, which is external. And if I say, if I take on my example, I'm sitting on my room, I am the content, and from my location to end of my room, like it's a box. To from my location to left, right, and off, down, after and before, all from surrounding area is called padding. From my location to the boundary, like it's a room boundary. And if I say about margin, margin is all about your room. If my room wall is like this is the margin. And what is, sorry, this is the border. And if I say about margin, margin is outside of my room. That is our fence or boundary. If outside the surrounding of my room, there is a boundary in this position, this is called the margin. Okay, so hope you understand it better way. I'm trying to do my best to understand it. So if you didn't understand, I'll try to be my better version on next step. And if I'm unable to understand, to teach you, so this is my fault. I have to do practice more and more so that I can explain it easily and you may be able to understand. Thank you. Bye.